Oh my God, see how lobster looking. We're going to make together this dish. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Chefmangal. You see this dish? This is Lobster Thermidor, world famous classic dish. You go around the world in 5-star hotel or big hotel, it's so expensive. But really, it's worth it also. In Asia, the Thailand is the place where you get the best variety of lobster and cheaper also. If you make at home and you watch my video, you can make better, delicious this dish. Come with me, we'll make together dish. Very easy. That's always I say, 1, 2, 3 style or Chefmangal style. So let's start. Before cutting lobster, because this is live lobster, you have to put in freezer to give a sleep. Give a cut from the head straight and in a body below the head, give a straight cut. Your knife should be sharp enough. And just see it's open. You have to open this way so you can see the meat. Now we are going to blanch it for 10 minutes. In boiling water, I add salt and little lemon. Boil it for 5 minutes. It's ready. Immediately you have to chill it in a chilling cold water. We have to take out the meat. Now we start cooking lobster. Heat the pan, add oil and butter. Melt it. I always try not burn the butter, but give a little blackish color. It gives a little different flavor. Chop onion, saute, add garlic, all finely chopped. I'm using little mushroom, it's optional. When you saute, you have to add your bite-sized lobster. You don't get too much meat, you can use shrimp also. So many people always they use. Add wine, white wine, your choice, whatever brand you want, whatever you like. Is Italian mix, white pepper, reduce white wine half. Now you add white sauce. Easily you get in the market, or you can make it half butter, half flour, the roux. If it's thickened, add milk. Add fresh lemon juice half and grated cheese. Cheese also as you like, whatever. You are free to choose wine or cheese, your choice. Your dish is ready. Fill it in your shell. See, meat was less, but I add shrimp, so you get a perfect filling and perfect taste also. Grate in it, add on top also cheese, bake it to gratin it and take a light brown color. Now your lobster thermidor is ready. Just check the color now, it's beautiful. Oh my God. This you can make at home easily, better than any other. Let me check, how is it? Oh yes, it's super, man, it's super. This is the dish. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. Every Saturday I am trying my best to give you best dishes around the world. I need your support. Please like, share and subscribe the channel Chefmangal Kitchen. See you next Saturday with another delicious and healthy dish. Thank you.